Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Down the Diecast Powered, and today I have for you a lot of Redlines that I bought off of eBay. And I could not pass it up because when you break down the cost per car individually, you cannot get these cars this cheap. Some of them you can, but not in this condition. Alright, so let's get started. So, first off, we have the silhouette. And I believe that it would be an orange Spectra Flame US car. And very not bad condition at all. So there's that. And then I don't know if I think I showed these on the channel once before, but here's this one that came with this lot. It's a Lincoln Continental. Hood's intact. The paint is in so-so condition. Wheels. US car. Very restorable. Not bad, really. I mean, some people would call that a good filler piece. All these are actually for the die-hard collectors who only want original cars. I mean, and then we have a Ford Mark 4. Mark 4? 5 minus 1? Yeah, Mark 4. Hood's intact, the pins are not broken. This might just come out as a beautiful Spectra Flame restoration if we do that one. Now, here's a car that I do have. Some of you seen this car before on the channel. Not this car, exact car. It's a Python. Original, beautiful Spectra Flame paint. There's a chip gone out of the body right there. And somebody used white on the wheels, trying to make them look good again. Man, it still has the original paint on the exhaust tips there. Everything, just this. It's just too nice, right? Too nice. Too nice. TNT bird. Dude, look at this thing. Like, what I paid for this, you can't get these for that cost. It's just not possible. Yeah, I'll restore it sometime, but wow. That is just phenomenal condition. And then the last two, and these are cars that I've never had before. Now, you can say, well, Don, you have a couple swinging wings. Not like this. Not like this. That's an original. With the pull-out motor. I may even have a replacement wing for it already. I don't know. I'll have to look at my parts bin and see. This paint is practically perfect. Yeah, there's some toning. There's a couple of chips. Like, and the last, but certainly not least, a Mercedes. And again, they painted the wheels white. Hood's intact. It's a Hong Kong car. And that's it. What did I pay for these? Less than $20 per car. Some people say, well, that's a lot. Yeah. But when you're sitting at your computer at home, it's easy to click that button. I'm proud to add them to the collection. But I really can't keep doing this. I can't keep buying these types of cars. Not for the price. I mean, you know, it adds up. It adds up. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button for me. It really helps out a lot, and I love seeing the likes. Leave a comment down below. Tell me who you are, what you got going on. If you have a YouTube channel, I will check you out. Ring the bell for notifications. And share this channel on social media. There are people out there who don't know about this channel, and they would love to know. They would love to come see and be part of it. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.